It's Evelyn Alexander from Magellan College Counseling. If you give me 3 minutes, I'm going to help you clear out your inbox. I bet it's a mess. I bet every time you open your inbox, you look like this. There's too much crap in there, so let's get rid of it. It's really simple. You just have to do 3 things. Here's the first one. You're going to find stuff in your inbox that you don't need. They're from people you don't care about. They're about stuff you don't need to know about, and there's probably too much of it. So we're going to click on an email from someone you don't care about and don't need to hear from, and we're going to scroll down to the very bottom, and it's always there. It's in teeny tiny writing, and it says unsubscribe. Click here to unsubscribe. We're going to click here. Now, if you're, see, look at that. You've been unsubscribed. So now here's the cool thing. You have like 50 tabs open like me, right? You've been unsubscribed. You don't need this tab anymore. Let's close it. Close it. Okay, what's the next step, Evelyn? What do I do next? Well, after you unsubscribe, you go back to that message and you delete it. You don't need it anymore. You delete it. Now, before we delete it, let's just remember who it came from, because this is a very important step. It's from La Playa Beach and Golf Resort. I have no idea why I'm on this list. I'm deleting it. Yay, I feel so clean. All right, let's go back to my inbox. And here's the cool part. So watch this. I have 781 unread emails, right? Here's the last step. Okay, we unsubscribed, we deleted. Now you're going to search for this person who's been cluttering up your inbox, and you're going to delete everything they sent you. Again, this could be a college. La Playa, right? La Playa Beach and Golf Resort. I'm just going to search for that. And what you're going to discover is, oh my God, this person has been spamming you. Look at this. I have 23 messages from this thing that I have no idea how I got on this list. So guess what? I'm going to delete all of them at the same time. It's awesome. All right, so now this number should go down, right? Should go from 780 to, yes, 759. That's it. It's that simple. You're going to unsubscribe. Now we're moving backwards here. You're going to unsubscribe, you're going to delete, and then you're going to search and delete. This is how you make your inbox clean. And I'll tell you something, colleges communicate with you through email, so you can't rely on just searching. You have to know what's coming into your email inbox every day. So the cleaner it is, the better, the happier life you're going to live, I promise you. Unsubscribe, search, delete. Do it today. Bye.